Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Ideation Architect. My name is Omkar. In today's video, we will discuss about architect Sanjay Puri. We are done case studies on architect Sanjay Puri. We will discuss the architecture life of Sanjay Puri architects. Okay, who don't know about architect Sanjay Puri? The Sanjay Puri is Indian architect who transformed the architecture in India. The man behind a new perspective of architecture in India. Sanjay Puri would design and unfold the immense joy of shaping the buildings in the principal architect of Sanjay Puri Architects, the leading architects of today's world based in the Mumbai with its creative design and spread overseas. Sanjay Puri offers innovative and sustainable design in structure or building such as urban design, township, residential, school, offices and etc. Now we're talking about the early life of Sanjay Puri. Sanjay Puri done his architectural degree from Rachana Sansad Academy of Architecture in Mumbai 1988. Initially, Sanjay Puri interested in arts. That's why he pursued something fine arts or advertising. After reading The Fountainhead, the architecture journey of Sanjay Puri began. Sanjay Puri, before starting the firm Sanjay Puri Architects at age 27 in the 1992, worked under architect Hafiz Contractor. He began his practicing under the Hafiz Contractor at age 18. Sanjay Puri worked with the Hafiz Contractor for 9 years, which include 5 years of his academic journey. Now talking about the design philosophy of Sanjay Puri. Sanjay Puri ideas for approaching the design to understand the site location, wind and sun direction, the function of the space, and also the create something which has never been done before. Every design is unique and has no similarity between previous one. He never repeat his design. Now the architectural style of architect Sanjay Puri. The avant-garde architectural style is a secret behind his creative design. A style that follows the introduction of uniqueness, experiment with the new ideas. Also Sanjay Puri believe in innovative. He says that a design or elements can surely derive from the past. His design are contextual to the site, but also sustainable, and his design are energy efficient buildings. He believes that the key point of energy efficient building is to design the keeping wind and sun direction in the mind, and landscape areas also. All the Sanjay Puri buildings provide a unique experience. The architectural design are abstract. It took him almost 10 years bring abstract to reality because it became hard for him to convince the public and client. His buildings are also look like fluid, organic in nature. That's why look like sculpture look. He mostly work with concrete, wood, stone, bamboos, which can prominently be seen in the mostly in Sanjay Puri's work. Now talking about the sustainable design in Sanjay Puri's work. Designing the building as per the climate of the location. Another way the achieving energy efficient building is the usage of the more glass on the northern facade and less glass material using southern facade. Creating spaces keeping the natural ventilation in mind. Using solar powers, water recycling, eco-friendly, local material are some great options. Now talking about the work of Sanjay Puri. The first one is the Origami House in Pune. The sculpture residential project emerged in 550 square meter plot area. 250 meter a construction of each floor which made a project vertically block of 4 floor. The origami like structure was planned so that every room of this house face the road which bring the north light. The structure is too dreamy for residential block. The next project, the Crescent, located in Surat, Gujarat. The single level office building which is sculpture look and stand out in surrounding. Overlap curvilinear volume are oriented in such a way that internal spaces are toward the north which is facing the side. It also creates a semi-enclosed courtyard between the office spaces. The building will increase the height in the south facade, forming the aesthetic angle. This feature was incorporated to protect the building from the sun rays. The building is in the beautiful orange color, which is achieved its cladding material. The cladding material was chosen to give the sculpture building a beautiful natural look. Our next project is Ishwatam 9, located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. Ishwatam 9 is one of the famous building or a structure of Sanjay Puri housing project. This building emerged like a towers on a very small site, with a single residence spread across the individual floor. The apartment building is unique, opening of the all four sides with the cross ventilation in the all rooms. The Grove Hotel Kolkata in West Bengal, Akshaya 27 Chennai, Area Hotel Nashik, 18 Screen House and the Surat. These are some work of Sanjay Puri. Now talking about the awards. The man behind the new perspective of architecture in India, winning the prestigious 2012 Chicago Architecture and Design International Awards, 2012 World Architecture Festival Award and the Hospitality Design Award at New York for the most sustainable hotel design of the year in 2012. In 2012, the 30 International Award won by Sanjay Puri Architect. The World Architecture Festival Awards in 2011 and 2010. The United Kingdom are also some of the international awards won by the firm at least 3 years. That's it for the Sanjay Puri Architecture Life. If you like our work, then like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you want more information about Sanjay Puri, then comment below. We will try to provide. Thank you.